Purchase of National Aluminium Company at a price target of 86 Indian rupees. Since the middle of April, the metal sector has been the one with the weakest performance. We are finally seeing some relief in this sector as a result of the general improvement in attitude around the world. The Nifty Metal Index had increases of about 8% during the previous week, making it by far the strongest week in the most recent months. In the case of NALCO, the company was reluctant to respond and did not operate in unison with some of its larger competitors. However, taking into account the trading activity on Friday, we anticipate that the stock will make some sort of catch-up move throughout the next week. Traders are encouraged to purchase the security with a short-term target price of 86 rupees in mind. The absolute stop-loss level ought to be set at 65 rupees. Highlights of results obtained by the National Aluminium Company. In the financial year 21-22, net profit zooms 2.7 times to 2,952 crore rupees. The company had its best ever annual output and sales in financial year 21-22, registering its highest ever revenue from operations and highest ever net profit of 14,181 crore rupees and 2,952 crore rupees respectively. The company demonstrated strong success across all of its business segments. Let's have a look at the fundamental now that we have at the National Aluminium Company. Let's take a look at some of the company's strengths. There has been a consistent increase in revenue over the course of the past 3 quarters and profits have been growing at a steady rate for the past 3 quarters. The annual net profits have been on the rise for the past 2 years. Book value on each individual share getting better over the past 2 years, company that has not taken any promoter pledges. Foreign institutions increasing their shareholdings, company with low debt. An increase in profit margin accompanied by expanding net profit, improving return on assets over the past 2 years, efficient in managing assets to produce profits. Return on equity has been steadily increasing over the past 2 years thanks to efficient use of shareholders' funds. Increasing its return on capital employed over the past 2 years by making more profitable use of the capital it has available through more effective utilization of that capital to generate profits. An increase in both the net cash flow and the cash generated from operating activities. Strong growth in EPS on an annual basis. Their financial outlook appears positive, as indicated by their Piotrowski score of 7. The shareholding patterns of promoters and foreign institutional investors are as follows. The promoters controlled 51.28% of the total shares in the company as of the 30th of June 2022, while foreign institutional investors owned 16.71% and domestic institutional investors owned 10.13% and public owned 21.88%. Let's take a look at the National Aluminium Company's technical now. Around this time, its pivot points are giving support at 74.55 paise, while the prices 82 and 86 rupees represent potential points of resistance for the market. At the same time, the support that originates from the pivots can be located at 70 and 62 rupees. The 50 and 100 moving averages have begun to provide support whenever the price is decreasing. This is a favorable sign that the price is heading in the direction of an increase. Traders are advised to buy for a near-term target of 85 rupees. The strict stop-loss needs to be placed at 65 rupees with a risk-reward of 1:1. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.